All right, guys. Welcome to my channel. This is ADEXCHAIN speaking, as you all know. Happy weekend in advance. Yeah, this week has been good so far. Yeah, it has been good so far. I'm happy to say that. Yeah, I will be showing you how I made a whopping of over 800% from two different pairs, like two different markets, which is the gold and the Euro USD today with my setup, with my strategies. Okay. So it was lit and I was really glad. And I am glad and happy to be alive to share this kind of video to you all. So what I would just advise you to do and urge you to do now, quick one for me, is to please like, subscribe, and turn on notification posts for more video like this. So let's get to the video, right? So this is good. This is good. So let's go back to the back test. Let's go back to the back test. How can I hide this? Okay. So this, if I want to go back to the back test, this is today. Today is 5th, right? Okay. So this is how the market was then, around there. And okay, first of all, let's go about gold. So let me remove the trend so that it won't be as if okay, just let me put it there. Let's leave the trend there. Let the trend be there. Let me reverse it. So the trend is there now. Let's move to this is gold. So let me show, this is my idea. Let me show the idea when I drop the signal. Is it here? Okay. Okay, this is the live stream. I'm trying to, okay, it seems to be here. Okay, this is it. All right. Okay, this was good when I dropped the signal. Can you see it? This is good when I drop it. Can you see? A lot of people even liked, about 9 people plus liked the analysis. If you check my Telegram group, you'll see it there. This was when I dropped the signal. Can you see? A lot of you, if you understand trading view, this is how it works. If you drop a signal before, can you see? 14 hours ago, if you can check on top the computer screen, on top your laptop or on top the video where my icon is, 14 hours ago when I dropped it, guys, this is how I drop it. And I said, sell gold, right? Sell gold, which is the XAUSD now at 1855.3, 333, 18, or to around 1855, 333 to 1854.64, right? And stop loss around 1859.23.239. Sorry. So target 1 to 5. No, target 1 to 3. 4 and 5 is not there. So, but by playing this, by loading the stuff now, can you see it's played out massively to our signal, to our analysis. Immediately I saw the trade going like this, bringing another signal for me. All the target was it. All the target was it, right? Can you see that? All the target was it. This is 1839.484. Can you see? We are even around, it has even reached the lowest point of 1827, which it has hit all the targets, all the profit was made over 800% from the stop loss entry and everything. So let's check it out now. Let's check it out now. Let's check how I get through this analysis. So just let me remove everything so that I should completely let the transparency should be stronger. Okay. So this was how the chart is. Immediately I woke up, checked the chart and saw the chart like this. I've drew out my trend line like this already. So I'm waiting for a breakout, which is one of the breakout, and a retest. So the trade was playing along. This is like a retest. Understand that is not even like a retest, it's a retrace. It's a retest. I've gotten the breakout that I need and I've seen the retest. There's a lot of principles. So I just need a bearish candle, right? I'm looking for a bearish candle. I got the bearish candle I'm looking for. So immediately I got the bearish candle for his good sniper entry. I'm waiting for I'm I'm hoping for price to come back to that point, to that top, so that I can get a very good. I'm putting my stop loss above the previous high, which is like the highest, the higher high before the higher high of before the market starts doing the high low and lower low, high low and higher low, right? So that is how I put my stop loss to be in the safer side, right? So it's supposed to be. It seems. Let me check the idea that I dropped there. Where is it about good? Because sometimes I increase the stop loss. Okay, can you see that? Can you see what I'm saying? So that is the transparency. That's how it works. So that's how I see. Normally I can enter the trade. If let me see my don't let me wait much of the time, because I want to show you how I started entering the trade. Around the year, I've started putting my I've started imputing my trade. I've started stacking like 0.11 lot. Like I've started stacking from here already. I just stack one trade because I'm expecting it to pull up like another retest so that I can enter like a snapper entry. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I just did that and expecting some movements, right? So let's see how it plays out. Can you see that touch? Can you see that touch over here? I hope you all can see that touch over here. Can you see that touch? Very good touch. It touches exactly where I need it. So from there, it started coming back again. So anybody that start entering from there again is another profit. So it's come down. Can you see it start coming down? When I saw the trade coming down, I was like, that's a very good entry. Start coming down, still coming down. So it went up again, it pull up from here again, it pull up. So after pulling up, that's another confirmation for me to draw another trend line. Though if you are still in the trade, if you are still in this trade, you can just move stop loss to entry point and still continue watching the market. But as for me, it's another confirmation for me to draw out and to mark out another trade. Understand what I'm trying to say? So because that has been bullish, that's given me a very bullish, strong bullish candle, as if it has confirmed, like the first one has confirmed, which is the sorry, I made a mistake. Let me cancel it. The first trade has played out, which is the breakout retest, and it played out like this. It's our entry again, and boom, it give us what we want. So immediately this one now, it break the trend line again, which is giving us another sell confirmation, which is giving us another confidence that yes, let's stack more. Let's stack more. This market is going to come down. So you can just say, okay, let's wait for the test here. People that don't enter can still enter here and expect the market to come here. And if possible, break this again, retest, and still come downward up to this side. That is why for people that don't enter, then you can still stack in that, okay, let's expect the market to just get here and put your stop loss at the major stop loss point again and still find some profit again. That is why you saw this entry when I dropped the signal. You will see what I'm saying. That is why you okay, that is for the USD. Yes, that's why you see double entry. We see double something like this. That is why I will still go there. But let's finish the gold first. So let's play out the trade. Let's see what happens. But unfortunately, it doesn't go and touch. It does not touch the second entry. But before then, this is another sweet entry. We got another breakout. Let's see it. It's still the trade is still playing out like in a big time. Can you see that? Boom. we hit a very huge take profit, but that's how the trade plays out. Anybody that enter from here, this is over 400% for people that understand RRR, which is the risk reward ratio. This is over 400% from the stop loss entry and the target. This is over 400% profit. If you are risking $100 on this trade, you'll be making 400 cool dollars. That is how I came up. That's how I got this analysis, and can you see that exactly it's the same it's the same thing. I backtested it and I reanalyzed and it play and everything goes the same way. There's nothing. Once you have a strategy, once you stick to your strategy, you won't have issues. Can you see that? So that's it. Let's move to the Euro USD trade. Let's just play this finish. Let's see what the market is doing. It has even this top. So now my next trade now, because I'm watching out for the news tomorrow, and my next trade, I'm targeting buy. Like I'm focusing on buy. Just let me cancel the replay. Let me back my trade because I've done some analysis. Okay, or just let me refresh. Let me refresh if possible. Load. I'm focusing on buy position. I'm focusing on buy position. Let me reload because it seems I've done some analysis down before those blah 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 drawing. Okay, okay, is this staying at the other? Okay, no problem. So now in this kind of trade, I will start drawing my trend, my analysis from here, blah 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 from here, because just let me take this out. We have our take profit here already. So I will try and give a video of how the next trade will play out, because I know that this is going to buy, because if the market drops, the next thing is to go up. Once it comes down, the next thing is to what? To go up. So it's a very simple law. When it's overbought, you find a way to sell. When it's oversold, you find a way to buy. So currently now it's oversold and you are finding opportunity to buy. So what you just need to do is to find a good strategy that will work for you, that can be playing out very well. And I know that this is another good entry that I'm waiting for. I'm trying to shift out the trend line, not to disturb this. Let's see what they're showing us. Okay, can you see NFP tomorrow? NFP tomorrow. So you have to be careful while trading tomorrow. NFP tomorrow and ISM tomorrow. Non-farm payroll and ISM. So that is all for gold. So I have my Telegram here. Let's go check it out. Can you see? This was when I dropped the trade, sell gold, and we have 54. I started making some profit and I started showing them, and a lot of people start entering. Can you see? This is for the Euro USD, and this is the results. Immediately I dropped it. I got some people in the comment section. If I guess right, you see a lot of people is making money from the signal. Someone just even say, I see this guy was like, "Thank you for sharing," and send me tip one, tip two, tip three. All done. I don't know him, but I know it may be from YouTube or anywhere, maybe from people that know me already, that referral or something. If you are doing well, you will see the job. You understand? So this is the person again. Respect. Thank you very much. You can join my free Telegram channel at ADEXCHAIN. You can see there. ADEXCHAIN, Bitcoin, Forex, trading, education, and also free signal for both. So that's it. So once you join, get free signals for both. So that's all for this, for gold. So let's move to Euro USD. How we come across this. This trend line, if I start to delete it, to bring it out back will be very, very hard. So I won't just waste much of our time. I can just go for a replay. I can just go for a replay somewhere here. Okay, before when we start the trade. So when I saw the market going up, I had to bring out my trend line. Can you see how I draw the sun? Anybody seeing it be like this? There are still some indicators like a lot of confluences and what I watch out for, bias, weeks, everything. I would like a lot of confirmations that I watch out for before I enter my trade, before I decide to pick my entry from there, before I decide anything. A lot of confirmation, because in FOREX, if you don't confirm, you don't have confirmations, you just enter, exit. One day you will collect. So, but I watch out for a lot of confirmations, but so it start playing out. That is the first sell. You get a very small sell here. Well, that doesn't make much stuff. I will still show the result for when I dropped it. And boom, we get entry from here. Because all the trend line, it follows the trend line. The first one, just let me play it finish. Can you see we got a very good trade already? I don't need to even play that anymore. Just let me exit the playback. So once I got this is a breakout, right? A retest. I got a bearish candle that I'm looking for. And I enter my trade here and boom, I take profit. And again, this is a breakout for this third trend line here. Retest. It went like a retest, right? And break again. It's retested on the major resistance, like the major resistance of the higher high from the yesterday trades, right? That is why I marked out these two lines, these two horizontal line out there. We call it horizontal ray. That is why I marked them out. So after retesting, I got a bearish candle as a sell confirmation. So I was like, this bearish candle is very sweet. So I had to like wait to enter my trade around here, and boom, went all the way to all the way to about 400%. This is the 400% entry, and this is the sniper entry. If I draw it down, it is about 900% on its own. Only that on its own, about 900%. But this first entry was, oh god, I made a mistake. The first entry was about 400% because the stop loss is higher. We entered in a very low, so excuse me, we entered at a very low price, but the second trade we had to like wait again to stack in from the beginning and enter like a sniper entry. Because why? I will show you that now. The major reason I went again to go and stack from up to expect that, okay, let's see whether the market will go up, is because of this is the second entry here around here. Can you see the line, the rectangular box I drew out? That is the second line there. Why I entered the trade there is because this area here, this icon area that I'm rolling my cursor, I can see that the market has been from here. Just let me draw out the box. Can you see where I drew out the box till this place? So I can see that the market has been consolidating, hitting this support. I'm sorry, this resistance, hitting that resistance, coming down, went again to hit the resistance, went down, went again to hit the resistance here and still come down. So I decided to be like, okay, if he hit this resistance one more time, this should be another good profit, right? And again, that is another strategy separately. And again, with my strategy confirmation, like it's respecting my strategy now and respecting the retest dropping strategy again. That is a lot of confirmation more for me to say that this market is going down. That is why I had to like say this market is going to go down here, and from there it gives us a very good, great. Can you see that? Very good, over 107 pips. How cool is that? That is great, fucking great. So you can check it out here. We can check it out in the idea. Yeah. I don't know why this thing is just bringing out some other things. Or let me check the notification. Okay, this is it here. I don't see the Euro USD I'm looking for. Let me check out the ID. Okay, no, let me check out here. Okay, this is it. Can you see? This was the Euro USD when I dropped the trade. This is the trade. I said target 1.06, blah blah blah, till target 5. Let's play the replay bar. Can you see load new bars? This was when I dropped the trade. Can you see 11 hours ago? Check your where the cursor is. 11 hours ago. I've dropped the trade 11 hours ago. And if you check, calculate your time from 11 hours ago to date, you see that this is real transparency. From here, the trade start playing. Let's load the new bars. Let's see. Can you see? Boom. We get a very good short position from our entry downward. So our target 5 was 1.05521. Let's see what the market is. 1.05521. It has even passed our target and give us over 35 pips, over 35 pips again after our target. How cool is that? Like, that is how you can check my back test also. My strategy has been lit. And you see my back test, that those are my back tests. Those are my back tests, and we hit stop loss also. See where stop loss here. This is stop loss here. Stop loss, take profit, stop loss, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, stop loss, take profit, 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 take profit. So that's the major thing about strategy. Once your wins is like 85, even 70, even 65% in some cases, you understand, risk to reward ratio will really help you. Like this, let's say for instance that let's say I took loss in my previous trade. This kind of trade that gave me over 800%. Like let's say this over 100 pips. You understand? It's going to return my loss. Let's assume that I risked $100 in the last trade and I lost it. The next trade I $100, I made $800. Can you see that I've made even more than what I've lost? Or let's say even $500. So that is trading. Is very, very interesting and very, very sweet once you know what you're doing. Even in Euro, it seems I've drawn out my new entry. So now what I'll be expecting now from Euro is buy position also. It depends on what the market is saying, because it seems tomorrow. Let me see what is happening tomorrow. There is news tomorrow that's going to happen. So you have to be careful while trading. NFP is coming out tomorrow. So the previous one was 263. The forecast was 200, and actual we didn't get yet. We have not get that yet. So that will come out when times comes tomorrow by 2:30. So you have to be careful. To me, I advise traders, especially non-experienced traders, just avoid news. Once you see the news is coming out, if you don't know what to do, just leave the market, sleep, find something to do, come back to the market. Or once you see that it plays out with your strategy, you can just try your luck, and once it's boom, that's your luck. You can just make cool profit again from that. But make sure don't play with stop loss. Very, very important. Stop loss is very, very important. So let's draw out the trend line from here. To me, with my strategy, I'm planning to buy. I'm planning to buy. So I've got some weeks candle that I need. All right. Checking that because I have to check the stuff very well. I don't like the mistake doing this trend. Like very, very complicated. There's a possibility seen from here, we go here, we go here, boom down here, from here, here. If I can see a pull up like this, it will be more interesting. The thing that another trend line can come from here. If possible, I see a pull up, and that trend line can come from here, and we can get a bullish movement or a retest. And once I see the confirmation I need, and boom, just a slight movement. And once we got that, and if possible, the news the news that comes out tomorrow, which will be around 2:30, like around this period where my take profit and stop loss is, boom, you can just see a boom. You will just be surprised. You just see boom 10%, 1000%. You'll be like, wow. That is 10 ratio. It'd be like if you are risking $100, $1,000 cool profit, the next thing, just close the market till next week. So that's all for now. I'm just doing my analysis, though it may not play exactly how the lines is drawn here, but at least let me let's just wait for the market. Let's see what the market will do, and let's see how it plays out. And we pray it plays out in our favor. And that's all for now, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification post, and like the video. Any video you want me to do, please comment in the comment in the box below, in the comment section below, and let me know. I will make sure I sacrifice my time and find time to do the videos for you all, and you gain something very meaningful from it. So thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Have a nice trade. Have a profitable day ahead. And may God bless you all. Thank you very much once again. This is ADEXCHAIN, as you all know. Peace.